good morning.
Hey, good morning. How's it going? Yeah, you doing okay today?
Yeah, doing great. It's not so hot in the morning.
No, it's not bad. It's nice today, man. It's really cool. It's really cool. Yeah, I like it here.
So, Scratchy, will you help me to pick the flower today? I have a plan to make a cold drink for our staff and my friend and some people that come to help me to make some construction here in the garden.
Oh yeah, that sounds great, man. Let's do that.
Yeah.
I've been reading about that stuff. I've seen it online and I've always wanted to make it. So yeah, definitely show me how to make that stuff. It's good.
I think it's fun. Look, you match with the flower. You look at the color blue. See that? Nice. Look.
Oh yeah, what a coincidence, huh? That's so funny.
Blue. Take put on your ears. Look. You look cute.
Oh yeah, it's cool. I'm a flower child.
Child.
I'm a flower
Okay,
man.
so I'm gonna pick this flower นะคะ ตอนนี้นะคะดิฉันก็จะเก็บดอกอัญชันซึ่ง Scratchy เนี่ยเขาจะช่วยชื่อออกจากแปลกๆหน่อยนะคะ ตัวก็สีน้ำเงินแต่ว่าเขาเป็นพับเพทที่น่ารักมากนะคะ
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Let's cook some food up here.
Okay, this is a flower. Look, this is how I pick it. Look, you have to pinch it. You see that? Look at this one. It's beautiful.
Oh,
you see
yeah.
that?
Yeah, that's good.
You see the flower? That's beautiful.
How many people watch this show anyway? How many people are on here?
Will you say hi?
Hello.
Say
Hey,
hi to my friends.
who's out there?
Scratchy.
Okay.
This one can eatable raw. Try it. What you think?
Yeah. Is that my mouth? Okay.
It's good. It's good for you. You know what? This one has a benefit. Benefit of it is if you eat this flower, it's good for your brain function. Eat it.
Okay, thank you.
Especially in the morning. Sometimes people are like, I'm not awake yet. But this will make you wake up. Okay, I have to do some work. So if you like to help me, come here. Okay. I'll pick some flower. So I will pick. I need them a lot because I'm gonna make a big jar. Like we're talking about like 3-4 liters. The more you pick, the more blossom. They will produce more flower. ใส่นมใส่น้ำตาลมันก็หวานแล้วนะหวานแล้วก็ใส่น้ำนมมันก็จะเป็นสีฟ้าอ่อนนะนี่มันเป็นสีน้ำเงินถ้าเราใส่นมมันก็จะเป็นสีฟ้าอ่อนมันก็จะมีรสของนมอยู่แล้วมันก็จะอร่อย Okay, now we have a flower from the garden, the butterfly pea flower. We're going to make the tea now. Are you excited?
Yeah, I am. I'm really excited. Let's check out this stuff.
Okay, see we have butterfly pea flower. We need water, yeah, to boil the flower to make the color out of it. So I have a water here, right? This is 3 cups of water. Pour water in, and we're gonna let the water boil. So we're going to boil the water and then we're gonna put the flower into the water and you will see the water turn blue. This flower is fresh flower. I count them. It's 60 flower in here.
60 flowers exactly?
Yeah.
You actually counted all that?
Yeah, I did.
Wow. Wow, man, that's crazy.
Okay, now put the flower into the water, right? So the water is turning blue. Look, you see, look. Yeah, you see that blue?
That's interesting.
You see the color in my spoon, that blue? Can you see it, blue? There. The longer you let it sit, the more blue it gets. So I'll boil this flower for a couple minutes. But look at that. Color dark blue. Nice. Well, this is from the blue flower, right? But for our friend, you know, who live in Europe and America, and you don't have blue flower, but you might find them like this. This is the dry one, you see, in the package. This is from our garden with packet, yeah. So it's dry. See this? Have you ever seen dry butterfly pea flower before?
No, I haven't.
Well, I put it on a cutting board so you can see. Look down the cutting board. See
Oh,
that?
wow, man. Fresh flowers.
This is dry, not fresh. Dry. You see the dry and the fresh? The flower look different. So I will show you. Here we go. Oops, sorry, come over here. You see that? The different. But this, even dry or fresh, it works the same. Even you know, for everyone, if you want to make butterfly pea flower, see that fried, dry? Yeah, it works the same. You can do exactly like I do. Instead of the fresh flower, you do the dry flower. Fresh or dry, whatever you get. You did?
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Good job.
I did a long time ago. That's how I found you. That's how I wanted to come here and actually cook with you once.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you very much, everybody, for letting me be on the show.
Okay. So now, you see? The color is very deep dark blue. Now we got the color, we got the juice now. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put this juice, right, with the sugar. But before that, we have to remove the flour out. You can use a strainer easy, you know. But here I can show you. You can do that. This is easy too. Fresh water. Take all the flour out so when you drink, you don't have this piece in your mouth. That's good. Now we got that, and we have only peel drinks now. What I'm gonna do next? So I have coconut palm sugar here.
Coconut palm sugar, where's that
Yeah.
from?
In Thailand, we call it nam tan beef. Coconut palm sugar. It's come from the sap of coconut flowers. Okay, so I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of coconut palm sugar. I call them tablespoon. Look, you have this spoon. Let me show you spoon first. This is the one you have in the house, in the kitchen, right? So 1 spoon of the coconut palm sugar in, right? Palm sugar make it sweet. Tastes like a honey or maple syrup. Yeah.
That's
So
right.
yeah, you wanna try it?
Hey, that's pretty good. That's sweet. Let me try it. I like that a lot. Hey, don't get it on me.
You said you wanna try it. Okay, 1, and then I'm gonna add 1 more. So make it 2 spoon, about 2 spoon. Well, sweet more or less depend on personal like, right?
Okay, yeah.
You
I
can-
don't like it too sweet.
So the sweet coconut palm sugar here, it's sweet but not gonna be super sweet like a sugar cane. In case you make a bigger portion, you can mix between sugar cane, you know, like this sugar we have in the kitchen. We use a raw sugar. I mix them both, you know, sometimes we have the big, like when we make a big portion, like 3-4 liters, so only coconut palm sugar won't be sweet enough, but we add for taste and aroma, and then we add the sugar cane, you know, for more sweetness too.
Could I use regular sugar?
You can regular sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, whatever you have in the kitchen to make
Maybe
it
some
sweet.
raw sugar. I'm organic. I'm organic all the
Yeah.
way.
In the house we have raw sugar too. I'm gonna taste them first. I think this is good. If you don't like very sweet, I think this is too sweet for you. Good enough. Okay, we're done. That's it. Very simple.
That's it?
And then next gonna be fun for you. So I'm gonna pour them in a jar before I pour into the glass. Right. So can you see from there?
Yeah, I can see that.
You see how blue it is?
Yeah. Wow, that's blue.
Nice.
That is so cool. Man, I like that. That is really cool.
It's still pretty hot, so we're gonna let it cool down a little bit. I forgot to bring the ice, so I'm going to get the ice from my refrigerator. I'll be back, okay?
Okay, yeah.
I'll be back. I got the ice
Okay.
now. All right, so first I need a glass, 1 for you and 1 for me now. Okay, so I'll put the ice into the glass. So put the ice in.
It looks cold. That's the way I like it.
Nice, because especially now in Chiang Mai, it's really hot. You need ice cold drink. Good, good. Okay, we got the ice in a cup, right? And then we're gonna pour our drink, right? Ta-da! You see that?
And that's it?
Not yet, not yet.
Wow. Can I have some now?
Not yet. Wait, I have more stuff to put in. You're gonna love this part. I have a little surprise for you.
It looks fine. It's ready.
Lime.
Lime? Why? Why do you put lime in there?
It gives a nice, so when you drink it, you get really good, like full of vitamin C, sweet and sour. Look, I squeeze the lime in there and drop the lime in. You see the colors?
Whoa.
It's changing. You see that?
Wow.
See that? So for our friend to see closer, close to the camera, you see that? I squeeze the lime. Look at that. So what happened? It changed to purple.
That is so cool.
Nice and
That is
refreshing.
amazing.
Yeah,
Wow.
look at that. So we'll make some decorations. So we'll have some. Ta-da! And try. I have to cut it first. Sorry. So we'll make it fancy. Ta-da! Look at that. And we'll put some blue flower. That's gonna be.
That is absolutely beautiful.
That's yours. And
Beautiful.
I want to make one nice for myself too. And more flowers. Okay, this is yours.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you very much, everybody. And thank you, May.
Thank you for watching and hope come to join us. Yeah. And drink. Is it good?
Yes, it is. It's very good.
Nice. All right, we'll see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel so we have always come with a new recipe, a new thing to learn.